Did you know the average driver wastes over $1,000 a year just because of inefficient driving habits? That's right. Without even realizing it, most people are burning money every time they hit the road. But here's the good news. In this video, we are going to uncover 9 driving hacks to save fuel down the road. Stick around because tip number 6 alone can save you hundreds at the pump. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Accelerate smoothly. Most drivers waste gas by treating the road like a racetrack. Rapid acceleration guzzles fuel because your engine needs to work harder to reach higher speeds quickly. Instead, accelerate gradually and let your car build speed naturally. It's not just safer, it's also economical. Studies show that aggressive driving can lower your gas mileage by up to 30% on highways and 40% in city driving. Every time you slam the accelerator pedal, your car consumes extra fuel to adjust to that rapid change. So next time you drive, pretend as there is an egg between your foot and the pedal. In this way, you will save fuel and drive smoother. Hack 2. Maintain proper tire pressure. Driving with underinflated tires is like dragging an anchor behind your car. When tires are soft, the rolling resistance increases, meaning your engine has to work harder to keep your car moving. This translates directly to lower fuel economy. By checking your tire pressure at least once a month and inflating them to the manufacturer's recommended levels, you can significantly improve your miles per gallon. Plus, properly inflated tires wear more evenly, last longer, and provide better handling and safety. Hack 3. Use cruise control. Ever notice how your speed keeps fluctuating on long drives? Every time you speed up or slow down unnecessarily, you're burning extra fuel. That's where cruise control comes in. Using cruise control on highways is one of the smartest and most underrated ways to save fuel effortlessly. Cruise control keeps your car moving at a constant speed, which is far more fuel efficient. This is especially helpful on flat highways where frequent braking or acceleration isn't needed. Not only does cruise control improve fuel economy, but it also reduces driver fatigue by letting you relax your foot during long-distance drives. However, it's important to avoid using cruise control on hilly or slippery roads, as these conditions require more precise control. Hack 4. Avoid idling. Many drivers think idling is harmless, but it's actually one of the biggest silent fuel wasters. An idling engine continues to burn fuel while producing 0 miles, which means you are getting 0 miles per gallon. If you're waiting in a parking lot, outside a store, or even at a railroad crossing for more than 60 seconds, it's better to turn off your engine. Modern engines are designed to handle frequent restarts without wasting excessive fuel or damaging components. In fact, restarting your engine uses less gas than letting it idle for several minutes. Reducing idle time not only saves fuel, but also reduces engine wear and lowers your emissions output. Hack 5. Remove excess weight. Many people unknowingly drive around with unnecessary weight in their car, such as gym bags, tools, sports equipment, or other heavy items that aren't needed for everyday driving. The heavier your vehicle, the more fuel the engine has to burn to move it. Even an extra 100 pounds can reduce your fuel economy by about 1 to 2%, depending on your car's size and engine. Removing roof racks, storage boxes, or bike carriers when not in use can also improve aerodynamics and reduce drag. Always remember, your car is not a storage unit. Travel light whenever possible, and your fuel efficiency will benefit from it. Hack 6. Limit air conditioner usage. Air conditioning is a luxury feature that comes at a cost. It forces the engine to work harder, increasing fuel consumption, especially in city driving, where speeds are low and the engine runs at lower RPM. If the weather is pleasant, open the windows at low speeds instead of blasting the AC. However, on highways, it's the opposite. Driving with windows down at high speeds creates aerodynamic drag, which can hurt fuel economy even more than the AC. So keep this formula in your mind on city driving speed. Keep the windows down and turn off the AC, while keep your windows closed on highway speed and turn on the AC. Managing your AC usage smartly can lead to noticeable fuel savings. Hack 7. Use the right motor oil. Many drivers don't realize that the type of motor oil they use directly affects their car's fuel economy. Every engine is designed to work with a specific grade of oil, and using the wrong type can cause unnecessary friction inside the engine. This friction forces the engine to work harder, burning more fuel just to overcome resistance. On the other hand, using the manufacturer-recommended motor oil ensures smoother engine operation because it's optimized for your car's internal components. Not only does the right oil improve mileage, but it also protects engine parts from wear and tear. Always check your owner's manual and follow the oil recommendations, especially during oil changes. This small detail can make a noticeable difference in your fuel spending over time while also extending your engine's life. Hack 8. Plan your routes smartly. Every time you start a cold engine, your car consumes more fuel until it warms up. So instead of making multiple short trips throughout the day, combine errands into one longer trip. This keeps your engine warm and running more efficiently. Plus, smart trip planning helps you avoid traffic, stoplights, and unnecessary backtracking. Using navigation apps with real-time traffic updates can also help avoid congested areas and prevent stop-and-go driving. Smart trip planning not only saves fuel, but also your valuable time and reduces wear and tear on your vehicle. Hack 9. Regular car maintenance. Keeping your car in top condition directly impacts fuel efficiency. Simple maintenance tasks like changing dirty air filters, replacing old spark plugs, and cleaning throttle body can drastically improve your car's performance and gas mileage. An engine that struggles to breathe due to clogged filters burns more fuel to compensate for the lack of efficiency. Additionally, using the recommended type of fluids and keeping them at proper levels help reduce friction inside the engine. Regular maintenance doesn't just save you money on fuel, it prevents costly repairs down the road and keeps your vehicle running reliably for years. That's all for this video. These driving hacks might sound simple, but trust me, they work like magic when you turn them into daily habits. If you learned something new, then like the video and subscribe to the channel for more game-changing tips and tricks. Which hacks surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.